What's up, guys? Welcome, everyone, to Sunday STOCKcast. What's going on, everyone? I think I got everything in here. I hope you guys can hear me. My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader of NewAgeWallStreet.com. We are primarily an options trading community on Discord. It is a paid community. We also trade cryptos and equities, small caps, things like that as well. Kind of a little bit of everything, guys, but excuse me, just drink an energy drink. Excuse me. Kind of a little bit of everything, guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm the founder and head trader of NewAgeWallStreet.com. That is what we trade. And if you guys can leave me a like, subscribe before we get started. Go share this video with your other trading buddies so they could get some value out of this today. Get ready for the trading week as well, all right? But welcome, guys. I hope everyone had a great weekend. I didn't do all too much. I just kind of hung out with my girl, hung out at home, just rested and stuff, and just got ready for the trading week. I took, just to let you guys know, I kind of took an L on Thursday and Friday. I finished red days, which were my first red days in like 2 or 3 weeks. So kind of being a little bit cautious going into this next week. So just to let you guys know. So yeah, just kind of clean my head and get some rest and stuff. Been working a lot, like on the Trade Factory and other stuff with the room. So just kind of played it cool and everything this weekend. Anyone do anything exciting this weekend? All right, so a couple things here, guys. A couple housekeeping things. On Wednesday, I didn't stream last week. I don't believe I had something come up or something. I didn't stream. Oh, it was a long weekend. So I'm not going to stream on long weekends, guys. It doesn't necessarily kind of make sense with there being the extra day, and then I don't want you to have the extra day or whatever, and then the information is not relevant. Some other type of news comes out or something like that. That would definitely suck. So on the long weekends, I want you guys to enjoy yourself. Just enjoy time with your friends and family, and especially with this weekend as well. With it being September 11th, it's a good time to reflect as well. But on the long weekends, we will not do STOCKcast, and that's why I didn't do it last weekend. But in saying that, why I want to kind of go over that is because we announced the giveaway of the trading rig. So the trading tower, guys. It's I still don't know if I can log into this thing. I did it like from my phone, I believe, which I could kind of show you guys. Let me see here. Let me see. I don't know what the password is, but it's hoser something at gmail.com. I'll do it on my phone here, guys, so you can kind of see real quick. Okay, 1 second. Jose Pena, so not Hoser, Jose Pena. So if you look, if you could see right there, so Jose Pena 323 at gmail.com. He's the one that won the trading rig. I need to email him back and get some details. We have to set up the actual rig. I have to have it built, and then we could send it out. So, but we did announce the winner, if you hadn't heard as of yet, for the giveaway. Okay. Coming up in the next month in October, we're also gonna have a bunch of kind of like promo merch and stuff. So like stickers, shirts, hats that you'll be able to get for free as long as you pay for the shipping of it. Also on the website. So the new website is coming along with the merch on it and the shop portion of it. So you come over here if you guys want if you guys want some merch from the New Age Wall Street stuff, it's all in here. If you guys want to come in, you pick the color, the size you want. Just to let you know, it is a little bit athletic fit, so it is a little bit form fitting to your arms and shoulders and stuff, and a little bit longer. That's how I like my shirts, and they're really, really soft as well. So they're nice quality shirts as well, guys, if you guys want to get some of these. But coming up next month, we will have where you could just get some promo stuff without having to, whether you just pay for the shipping and everything. So I think we're going to rotate what that is. So whether it be a shirt or a hat that you're able to do that, it won't always be the same or what have you. But so we will have that. Justin said, what do you think of Trade Ideas Scanner? It scans. I mean, I What's your question? That's a really vague question. So, are you just thinking generally? Like, I don't know. I don't know what exactly you're asking. So, all right. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into some charts and stuff here. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Let me get my face over here so we could go ahead and cut like that. There we go. All right. So as far as sentiment and things here for the week, guys, what I'm kind of looking at is the futures. The futures opened up at 4 o'clock my time, 6 o'clock Eastern. Yep, 6 o'clock Eastern. So we're opening up pretty strong here to the upside. I just got off my meeting with my members in my room. I was explaining that this is becoming to be quite a little bit of a trap, which we're going to trap all the shorts that are in here and get this little pop up. But what would be nice is if we get up here towards the 4470 area, and then for us to maybe even this 4475-ish area, and then fail and then continue going further down. So we'll need the rest of the night into tomorrow morning to see where we're kind of at with that. But with the volume and the way things look right now, it doesn't look like we're going to get too much of a push. There's not too much interest to continue going further up. So I think we're going to get a little push up and then continue going further down, especially with the way that the VIX looks like right now. The way that the VIX looks like right here. So over 20 again. And so we are in for some volatility. It looks like some people preparing for that, a little bit of fear coming into the market. Anytime we've gotten towards like 18, 19, we've rejected right here and came further down, but now we're pushing this 21. We're getting up here to the higher levels, so we'll see exactly what's happening. Rating wise, it's a service. As far as the trade ideas, I mean, it depends what you're wanting to use it for, right? Like if you're trying to like if you're building a scanner into Thinkorswim, Thinkorswim doesn't alert you in real time to like unusual volume and things like that. You would have to literally sit here and then continue pressing scan over and over and over again. Or on your watch list, you'd have to put the conditions as to what a certain ticker. It's not going to scan the whole market. What the certain tickers or the certain criteria of that you're looking for in order for it to actually alert you. So it depends what you're looking for, man. Like, I really like using Algo, which is like a scanner service for options flow. You could also do like quant data. You could also do like cheddar flow, things like that. That's what I like. I like that a lot better than doing the scanners, because the scanners could, I believe, give you sometimes false positives as to what you're actually looking for. And if you're scanning for the option flow, those are actual orders that are going through the market that are setting off the scanner. So there's significant option sweeps that are setting off the scanner, not necessarily unusual volume and things like that. So it's kind of subjective to what your trading style is and what your trading strategy is. So if you're trying to nail momentum trades off of breakouts and things like that, then cool. Trade ideas is cool. It's fast, what have you, but not necessarily the other way around. So I hope that helps. But the scanner's not gonna, honestly, dude, like, scanner's not gonna cure, all your roles as a trader. You know what I mean? Like, if you're able to pick out, what I would say is save your money, right? Save your money. You come over here, you download FinViz. Not necessarily download, but just to go to FinViz. This has the unusual volume right here. This also has the top gainers. Now it is a little bit delayed, like if you're just using it like this. But what I'm trying to say that is you could see what tickers are hot on the day and pre-market just off of this. So if you're able to see what tickers are, have the most attention on them on the day, then pick 3 or 4 of them and just have your attention set on those. And then if they set up, great. Go ahead and nail those trades. If they don't set up, then go ahead and leave them alone. If you're sitting around, waiting for a scanner to alert you to a ticker to take a trade, you're going to have a hard time trading, to be 100% transparent and honest with you. So this is the way I would do it, is if you're looking, for like a budget-friendly type way, just, go ahead and do the scanner right here. And then even this, like, watch, this is a little scanner thing right here that I have for pre-market. This only works in pre-market though, so that's why it's not on right now. But this is, I'll put this in the chat for you if you want to have this for pre-market to see what's just hot. But this is through Trade Ideas too, okay? So that's a little gift for me to you for tonight. Yeah, so exactly, that's what you would use it more for, is small caps. So if your strategy is small caps, right? If your strategy does small caps and momentum, absolutely. Like, but at the same time, if you're looking at something with, a lot of volume, like gainers on the day, what's hot on the day, this is all you need for pre-market, and then you just keep an eye on those throughout the day. There's also alert services like on Twitter that are free too, that they're pretty quick as well. So, but good question, bro. All right, cool. So overall sentiment here for the market, we're up right now for the overnight session, and I think we're gonna hit resistance. We'll come further down. Like I said, I was red Thursday, Friday, so I just want a trend in the market, guys. I don't want the market to come back down, or excuse me, just kind of push up and then go sideways right here. That would just, it's frustrating as an options trader because of theta decay for it to for you to make money in that type of environment, because it's not trending. So another thing I want to just kind of point out is the way that the SPY has moved over the last couple of months, is that every like 19th, 20th of the month. So right here, so this one right here was, this is showing the time, but you can see down here around the 18th, you had this dip. Same one right here as well, and then right here as well. And so now we're coming into this dip where we have this area right now, and we're having this dip that we have right now. So let me see here. All right. So the 17th and 18th is the the 18th and 19th is actually the weekend this weekend. So this is that move we may be seeing here for right now. And what I'm saying is that we're going to get down to 445 or so. Does that make sense? Anyone? All right, cool. So basically, head on a swivel for Monday tomorrow is going to definitely tell us the trend direction as to what we're doing and what have you, right? So as far as tickers, a lot of tickers that were this week, so like you're looking at Apple, right? So Apple had a really big slide off on Friday, but there's also tickers like Netflix, which showed relative strength, and this is what you want to go through on your watch list. What I was telling my guys is to go through and try to find those tickers that have that relative strength, right? So like something like this Netflix right here, it got pulled down, but it wasn't drugged down the way that Tesla was, the way Apple was, things like that. So if we start turning bullish, you want to have an eye on these tickers that were a lot more stronger than that. So like Netflix was one, Nvidia was the other one where it didn't get quite drugged down as well. And those are the ones that I'm looking for going into this week. I'm also looking at BBIG. I'm still showing that strength and high short interest. So trying to see if we get over this $12.50 so we could get the squeeze move and then go from there. Do you guys have any other tickers, you guys? AMC, yeah. So AMC is a really good one too that we're going to look at for this week. So I started calling this AMC out a little bit here, and kind of just, whenever, we're bored and we don't have nothing else really to trade, we kind of come back over here and see if we can make a couple bucks off of it. Why not? You're afraid of a little less than 1% sell-off, dude? Why aren't you confident in it? On Tuesday, we do have a meeting on Tuesday for some inflation talks, I believe, some type of report that comes out on Tuesday. So just be cognizant of that. That comes out on Tuesday morning, and that could give us a lot more sentiment as on the market. You see right here on the S is starting to sell right here for some reason. I don't see any news or anything right now. So, but AMC, this is something, like I said, we've been, just kind of playing, whenever we're bored. It always gives some really nice range as far as how big the actual ticker is. So whenever it broke this $50 to the downside, we played it to the downside, and then we started realizing that it was holding this 30. And once we seen that it was holding this 30, it gave us this compression play. Started calling for $50 off of the 30, and we got that tail end of this week. So now we're starting to break above this little neckline that we have right here. And if we start getting some aggressive buying off of this, we could definitely get some big momentum to move here on this AMC. Now the thing is if you come and you look at the open interest on this, you can see where the $60 is stacked up right here, 32,000. Also right here, there's 55 stacked up, 17,000. So there's definitely has to be a lot of demand in order for it to move. So it is something that we are looking at, though, especially with noteworthy that it did close over $50. So that was a really big win for the bulls here on AMC. So we'll see how it looks in pre-market. Neo was a good one too. So Neo, Richard here in the Trade Factory was looking at Neo, guys. So I don't see where exactly he was playing this, but this is the weekly chart. That's why. So I think it was maybe on this little run up, but Neo as well. The thing is that it looks a lot like the chart looks almost a lot like Tesla. Being in the EV space, and where it's starting on the macro to go really sideways. So if we hold the 36, 37 area, start curling back up here, then great. So I would love to see Neo to get a lot really bullish. The thing is I'm not 100% confident in the Chinese tickers because of all the regulations they have coming down on them. So you don't want to get caught in anything like that where there's some news that comes out and then you're stuck. You know what I mean? Especially if you're an options player where you can't trade after hours or pre-market, that would be absolutely horrible. VIH or CH, so CHPT. What company is this, dude? I like this base that it's putting in right here in this weekly chart. This does not look good right here after the earnings. They gave up all the gains from the earnings. So I mean, you're pretty much reading these charts really well. Above $20.50. Definitely want to hold that as support, and then for this to kind of curl up off of this bottom right here. But I don't believe it's going to happen very quickly. It's going to take some time in order for it to do it. This is a big macro type setup. So, and then you said VIH. This one was pretty good. This ran up right here. So from like 9 cents to 12, but this is probably gonna get back down to $10, dude. I don't know what you're expecting on this one. All right. Almost got out at 12. Yeah. To the upside, you said? I need to get like some background music. I know it's like quiet for you guys when you guys are listening to me and stuff. Need some like background music to go. Any other tickers or anything else, guys? You guys want me to go over? All right, guys, we do this every Sunday. So every Sunday at about 8 p.m. Eastern, 6 o'clock my time. So 8 o'clock Eastern. 8 o'clock Eastern, we do the Sunday stock study, or STOCKcast, and we just kind of go over takers, get ready for the week and everything, guys. So set a reminder, set a calendar. I'm going to set up like a landing page actually on the website for you to sign up to get notified when we go live on Sundays and stuff, because I believe, maybe sometimes you forget or have stuff that, that comes up or what have you. So I will set up like a landing page where you could be notified for it to be put onto like a Google Calendar. And then you'll be notified, when we're going to start every Sunday. So also it'll allow me to send you updates and stuff like that as far as like, if I'm not going to do it. So I don't want you to take time out of your day if I'm not going to go live. So DKNG, yes, this was the one that we talked about as far as on the gambling space, but I actually like the pen setup a lot better. So pen right here, this is a pretty cup handle compression right here. Now it did slide off with the rest of the market, so you're kind of on holding on by thread right here. It has to stay above 79, but yes, I like the setup on pen a little bit better than DKNG. But yeah, on the gambling space on both of them, especially with football back into effect, yes. All right. Cool, guys. I got some more work to go ahead and do. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you guys have a profitable week. If you guys need anything, let me know. Send me a message or a DM. My email is info@newagewallstreet.com or cruise@newagewallstreet.com. Either one of them will work. And yeah, so on Wednesday. So Wednesday I tried to doing like a midweek type review, just hang out. Review trades for the beginning part of the week into the tail end of the week, so then we can finish out the week strong. If you're struggling in the first half of the week, there's no reason why you should have a full-on red week. We need to be able to stop the bleeding there at the midweek review, pivot from that, and be able to finish the week strong. So if you're having a great week, the beginning of the week, then cool. We're going to go in and analyze what you're doing well, and then see what behaviors we can continue with going into the end of the week. Make sure that you end even more profitable, right? So come during Power Hour here on YouTube. We will do that on Wednesdays. I have been doing it. It's been pretty fun because everyone is here in the office with us too. So, all right. But you guys take it easy. Catch you later. Same money blast. All right. See ya.